Welcome back again. Today also we want to continue with our topic money, and I promised you last time that today we are also going to do hire purchase. So what is hire purchase? Buying commodities or purchasing items in terms of installments, in equal monthly installments. So that means you are not buying something with cash, or just you don't just pay the original or the required amount, but rather you are paying it in regular intervals, maybe per month, provided you pay for that item. So what is hire purchase? And also last time also I also promised you that we are going to compare the two, that is the market price and the hire purchase. So there's a difference between hire purchase and market price, and today also we're going to explain and expand further on the same. So if you look at that television set there, it is very attractive and also very good to look at. So hire purchase means paying for that item in regular installments. But if you look down there, the price of it, the cash price of that television is 82,000. So last time when I went to the supermarket, I saw this television. It was very attractive, but then when I look at the price, they told me if you want this television, the price or the requisite amount is 82,000. Then I look at my pocket. I was having only 50 shillings, or not even 50 shillings, 60. So 60 shillings, they told me just go and buy bread. You cannot purchase anything in this supermarket. So I went home, but they told me that if you don't have the required amount, you can be paying it in installments. So you pay the initial amount, what you call deposit, and then the other amount you'll be paying it in installments of maybe for a period of some months, 10 months, 12 months, 13 months, or even 20 months, depending on the price of the item. So hire purchase is paying in installments, where market price is just pay cash. And if you compare the two, after doing my calculations, it is always that the hire purchase is always higher than the market price. So this one is more expensive than the other. If you work out, and then you'll always find that the higher purchase price is always more than the market price. So the market price, what you must understand right now is that the market price is the original price of a commodity, and it is always equal to 100%, whereas the hire purchase is purchasing the same item now in regular installments. You pay the initial amount, what you call deposit, and then you will pay the remaining amount in regular intervals, that is months. So if you look at our formula here, hire purchase is equal to deposit, your initial amount, plus total monthly installments. Then deposit is equal to hire purchase minus total monthly installments. So we have two words here, that is number of months, and this one is installments. The amount of money you're paying every month, and this is the number of months. If someone asks you to find the number of months, hire purchase minus deposit over installment. Then if someone asks you to find each installment, it is the hire purchase minus deposit over number of months. Our first example for today, Jane bought a television set on hire purchase terms by paying a deposit of 14,800 followed by 11 equal monthly installments of 500. Calculate the hire purchase price of the television. So this is class 7 question. Hire purchase is equal to deposit plus monthly installments. So the deposit, the initial amount was 14,800 plus for the 11 months, number of months is 11, then each month she is paying 500. So 11 times 500 is 5,500. Then when you add your two, you find out that the higher purchase price of the television is 20,300. So that one is class 7 concept, very easy. Number two, also you will find there's a comparison now between the mark price and the higher purchase price. So the mark price of a gas cooker is 18,000. Ali bought it on higher purchase by paying a deposit of 10,500 followed by 9 equal monthly installments of 950. How much more is the higher purchase price than the marked price? So we have our marked price as 18,000. Let's calculate our higher purchase. Remember, higher purchase is equal to deposit plus monthly installment. So the deposit is 10,500 plus. So we are going to add in 9 months. Ali has been paying 950. So 950 times 9 is 8,550. So if you add the two, you will find that the mark price is 19,050, whereas the mark price is here, that is 18,000. So you can see the prices are not the same. The higher purchase is always more expensive, or it is always higher than the mark price. So if you subtract, you will find that the higher purchase is 1,050 more than the mark price. Another example for today also, a trader bought a cooker on hire purchase by paying a deposit of 2,400 followed by 5 equal monthly installments. So if he paid a total, what is the total? Remember, the price of the cooker here is on hire purchase, so this one is the hire purchase. This is our hire purchase. How much was each installment? So the total, because this cooker was being bought on hire purchase, so and then they're telling us here that the total is 9,600, then our deposit is here, then number of months is 5. Each installment is equal to hire purchase minus deposit over number of months. So 9,600, which is our hire purchase, minus 22,400, then we divide by 5. So if you subtract 96,000 minus 24,000, you'll get 7,200, then you divide by 5. You will find out that every month the trader is paying 1,440 as installment. Then another example here, the higher purchase price of a sofa set is 46,000. Mary paid a deposit of 24,000 followed by 5 equal monthly installments. So here the number of months here is 5. And then every month you are paying 1,100. So how many months did she pay for the sofa? So this question also is very important. We are saying, or previously we said, number of months is equal to hire purchase minus deposit over installment. So hire purchase, it is here, the deposit is here, the installment is here. You only need to apply. So 46,000 minus 24,000 over 1,100. So if you subtract the two, it's 22,000. Then if you divide by 1,100, you'll find your higher purchase price, or subtracting the deposit from higher purchase and then dividing, you will find out that Mary paid for the sofa for a period of 20 months. Very easy. Next time also we will see as a candidate what you're supposed to do, because as a candidate also there is a way in which they want to confuse you. So don't be afraid of this topic. It is one of the also easiest subtopics in this topic that you will find very easy if only you find the steps given. So next time also we will see how this subtopic of hire purchase is being tested or examined in KCPE or in other exams. So make sure you write those examples, that is example 1 to the last one. Arrange your work in order, and then next time when we meet here I'll give you 3 examples or 4. Then we'll see some of the past KCPE questions on the subtopic. Otherwise, have a good time.